Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Twitter ads and how we can remarket in a Twitter and how we can create a conversion tracking. So now let's get started.
So till now we have seen how to create ads on Facebook and how to create ads on LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
So you know very well where your ad appears. If you go with the Facebook, tell me where your ad appears. Your
Uh,
ad appears on,
Facebook.
you
Facebook.
say
Facebook.
the
Insta.
Facebook, okay, fine. So LinkedIn also fine. So where exactly the placements? So your ad appears on newsfeed, ad
New,
appears on stories,
Stories.
messenger inbox,
Yeah.
right column. So in-stream video ads and then instant articles. So your ad appears in these important places. Whereas in LinkedIn, LinkedIn ads appears in the audience network, in the newsfeed and in the messenger box.
Messenger
Right.
box.
So now Twitter ads. So Twitter is mostly used by
celebrities.
celebrities. Very true. Why? Because Twitter is mostly used as a I can say news icon. So
News,
if
yeah.
you want to see any trending information, if you want to find out what's trending in India, then you can just simply open Twitter and you can see what's trending. Right. So by this Twitter also you'll come to know very new updates and new news you have. Now, how this Twitter ad appears on Twitter, let me just show you. Okay, and on Twitter, it is a very I can write up to 280 characters.
Mhm.
But whereas in Facebook, I can write a lengthy content, and I mean LinkedIn also I can write in lengthy content. But whereas Twitter, I can write only up to 280 characters. Okay, while writing any post or else while writing something on Twitter, you can write only up to 280. So that's the reason. If you want to optimize your Twitter, make sure that within the 280 characters only you have to showcase complete information, showcase what exactly you are providing. Okay, so make sure that it is very short and simple. Okay, right. Now let me open the Twitter account. Definitely for LinkedIn and for Facebook, you just need to have a page in order to create a ads, right? So without a page, can we create ads on Facebook and LinkedIn?
No,
No,
Can we
ma'am.
do that?
no,
No.
Yes.
Ma'am, in Facebook, like we can use our
Mm.
when I
So
was
Yeah,
but
yeah. That
without having a page, can we
we can
create
only
the
boost.
So we cannot boost, right? So we cannot
Yeah.
run ads actually. So, but
Mm.
whereas here Twitter, you don't need to have any kind of business page. As Twitter acts as a page normally, so you don't need to send any request for others. You can just click on follow button, then people will
yeah.
follow. Yes or no?
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
like a Facebook page and LinkedIn page. You no need to accept any friend request. People can follow you. The same way here we have a Twitter. So for Twitter, you no need to have any kind of business page to run ads. You just need to have a account. That's it. Now let me open Twitter account. So this is how the Twitter interface looks like. You guys already know. And this is the home page. Can you see right side? Prerna
Hmm.
Gupta. So what is this here? If you can see a promoted one.
Promoted.
This is
Ad,
also
Okay.
an ad.
kind of ad.
And on top, if I can see, it's a trending here. What's
Trending top.
happened? So what is trending right now currently in Twitter? So here in trending also you can see and promoted by Lenovo India. This is
Hmm.
also one
Mm.
ad. And you can see ads in a newsfeed also, Twitter account. And one more thing, do remember that if you want to create ads on Twitter, so your account has to be 30 days older account.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So it has to be 30 days older account. If it is a new account, you won't be able to create any kinds of ads. Okay. Now let us see how we can create ads on Twitter. So go to profile, you can fill out complete your bio, so your email address, contact number, so what exactly you are. So try to write something and fill up those things. So click on this more. There you can see option like a Twitter ads. Okay. So here comes ads manager. So in Facebook, we do have ads manager. In LinkedIn, we have ads manager, and same like in Twitter also, we do have an ads manager. So with the help of this ads manager only, we're going to create a campaigns and AdSense. Okay. So now I'll tell you the structure of this Twitter ads. So first of all, while creating, now I have already created ads in this ads manager. Okay, if you are a fresher, if you are a beginner, it will ask you the currency and country code and all. You just need to give all those things. Then you
Okay.
can see an interface like this. So first thing is that I am going to create a campaign. Okay, so you can create a campaign. Under campaign, you can create ad sets. Under ad sets, you can create a ad
Ad.
creatives.
Okay.
Campaigns, ad sets, and ad creatives. Okay, now let us start creating campaigns. So this is how the interface of Twitter Ads Manager looks like. So let me start creating a campaign. Create a campaign. Okay, so objective, awareness, consideration, and conversation. So do you know the meaning of these three things?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So in the
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Facebook,
Yeah.
in LinkedIn,
LinkedIn.
the
Yeah.
same things. Reach. So if you are looking out to reach a wide audience, then choose this objective. Then consideration, video views. If you are looking out to get a views for your video, choose this. Pre-roll videos. So now your ad will appear in the middle of the videos. Same like a in-stream videos. App installs. If you are looking out for installations, you choose this. Website clicks. So again, looking out for clicks to your website, then choose this. Then engagements. Engagements means you
More
already
likes.
know
Yeah.
more likes,
Likes,
comments, or
shares,
shares.
and yeah.
App re-engagements. So do we know about remarketing?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Remarketing. So
Okay.
remarketing means
Like,
retargeting
Marketing
your existing
existing
users,
yes,
customers.
ma'am.
right? So here also you can do remarketing for your app. So app re-engagements. Now,
Okay.
depend on your business and subject, you choose whatever the objective best suitable for you. As of
Ma'am,
now, yes,
ma'am, you said this basically Twitter is for the celebrities, right? So,
yes,
do they going to see the app installations, like what kind of apps will come
definitely,
out here?
right, definitely. Now, Twitter is mostly used by high-end businesses. So who
Okay,
are
okay.
looking out to reach out some kind of famous people like celebrities, politicians, and all.
Mm-hmm.
So normally small business won't opt for this Twitter. Why? Because they will be normally, if it is a small scale industry, their targeted audience will be almost in a Facebook and will be in
Yeah,
Instagram and LinkedIn. Okay.
yeah,
So, but
okay.
whereas Twitter, we already know that yes, everyone will be having a Twitter account. No one will be using this effectively. Only a person who is more interested into politics and celebrity news and all. Now we can see the Pawan Kalyan hashtag is the trending. Okay, so it has a world record also now. Do you know
Okay.
that?
Pawan
Yes,
Don't
Kalyan.
know, ma'am.
Pawan Kalyan
And
hashtag
ma'am,
Pawan
this
Kalyan.
celebrities accounts will be managed by other companies, no?
Managed by a digital marketers again.
Mm.
Yeah,
Mm. So no celebrities will be managing their social media accounts again.
exactly. So,
Politicians even. Yes,
Their PR team
whatever
will
they
be there, no,
post,
ma'am? Mm.
yeah, there will
yes,
be a
they will
team.
be having a separate team to manage everything.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah,
so now I can see Dhoni. Okay,
yes,
Dhoni
ma'am.
news also trending. So from where we got a news? Obviously from the Twitter itself.
Yeah.
Yes or no? So
No,
they
ma'am,
want
Instagram.
Okay, whatever.
Instagram.
Instagram.
Whatever.
Instagram, I guess it is from Twitter.
Oh, okay.
I don't think so. Or definitely, celebrities and politicians, their first priority will be like a Twitter.
Twitter,
And
okay.
they will use every medium like Facebook,
Yes,
Instagram, Twitter,
yeah. But
Mm,
Twitter will be like a
instant one, right?
99%
Mm.
they will be using Twitter. Why? Because it will reach out to the audience instantly.
Mm.
Whereas Facebook, normally the usage of Facebook has become very low.
Yeah.
Okay, but again, when it comes to Instagram, Instagram will be like a kind of girly thing, right? And
now, right
LinkedIn,
now.
yeah. And if in case I take LinkedIn, LinkedIn is completely into professional, so
Professional.
no
Mm.
celebrities will be using this LinkedIn and all. So
Mm.
definitely, Twitter will be the best suitable for it, right? So if
Yeah.
your business is that kind of thing, so you can just choose it. But mostly Indian companies won't be going with these kind of things. Now I can see an ad like a Lenovo India. So this is a very high-end business. They are going with a Twitter. So if you have any, if you're working for any Samsung business, you can go. If you're working for a Sony Music, you can run these kind of ads. So depends again. Now, if it is a kind of blogging website and you are doing some blogs, so is there any use if you promote your business here?
No.
No. So
Nothing.
just choose.
We
Unless we
can
have a
just
product or
post
something, it
like,
will be
yeah,
better.
we can just post.
You can just post, to get a more views for video, or else if you want to get a more followers also, you can go with these kind of things. Can you see the bottom followers here? If
Yes.
you are looking out for followers, you can just choose this objective. So for this
Okay.
also it helps you, right? So I'm going to choose a reach now. Then next,
Campaign name Geo.
campaign name. So
3 p.m.
habituated. Yeah, campaign name 3 p.m. and funding source. This funding source will be automatically taken while you create an account. Okay. So initial because we already have an ads manager, right? So at the time we already gave the source so that you can choose this source. Now, daily budget. Daily budget means you guys already know. Daily budget
Yes,
means
Yes.
so the maximum amount you want to spend per day.
per day.
Okay. So by default, your Twitter ads manager, your Twitter ads will be taken in the form of USD dollars.
Oh,
So $100 will be like more for us. Let's go with a
$10.
$10.
Here only
So
dollars will be there, ma'am. No kind of rupees and all
no,
option.
no, no, only USD dollars.
Okay.
Mm. The next total budget. Total budget means now let's say I have choose the daily budget as a 10 rupees. Sorry, $10. So what if I go with the $100 as my total budget? How many days my ad runs?
10
10
days.
10 days.
days.
10 days. So again, it's up to you. It's completely an optional. If you want, you can go
Hmm.
ahead, or else you can just choose a daily budget. That's fine. Why? Because whatever the amount you put, like if you have a $20 in your account, it will run for 2 days. Got it? So if
Yes.
you really want to specify total budget, then at that time you can choose it, but it's optional completely. Then next comes your starting date and end dates. Okay, you can choose when to start your ad. So if you click this drop down, you can see a calendar. So 18th, and you can specify the time also. So here end date, you can simply specify the time. So what's the date today? It's the 18th, right?
18th one.
If you don't want, you can just delete it.
Hmm.
Okay. And here comes, we have a few advanced things. Pacing, standard and accelerated.
Ma'am,
Okay,
here suppose we don't choose any end date and we have our daily budget and total budget. So it will automatically run for 10 days and it will
10 days,
stop now.
right? Yes,
Hmm.
definitely. Then next, pacing, standard and accelerated. Now my daily budget was like a $10. According to my competition, so Google will run my ad. So how you want to make Google to run ads, it was simply called as standard and accelerated.
Google
If
or
I choose
Twitter?
this, sorry, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I
So
was
we can
thinking.
Twitter, I'm sorry. Okay, so standard and accelerated means now if I choose this standard, what this Twitter will do, it will show my ad evenly throughout the day. So my aim is to promote my ad throughout the day. Okay, so from morning to evening, like for 24 hours, it has to run ads. Okay. But I don't care whenever it shows, but it has to show throughout the day evenly. But when I choose this accelerated, so what does it mean?
It's
I
going
want
to
to
send
show
you.
my ad continuously. Okay. So I don't care when it stops, but I want to show continuously. Let's say tomorrow you have a shop opening. Okay. So at that time you can choose this accelerated because your ad will be showing continuously. So if it is showing continuously means definitely more interactions. So tomorrow you'll be having a shop opening. At that time you are looking out for many tickets purchases. Then you can choose this accelerated. Standard is always recommended one from the Twitter. So not only from the Twitter, we do have option same like this option in a Google Ads. You can just choose that. Okay, right. And then next, ad group set. So same like a Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn. So after finishing this campaign level, we just need to choose the ad group. Tell me what are the things we just choose in the campaign level?
Objectives.
Objective and details.
Budget, total budget, start and end date, pacing, campaign name.
Very good, very good. So Rafi had a lot of memory power.
I have
Objective.
the notebook with me.
Okay, so I'll choose objective next.
Uh,
Even
Placement.
I will forget
Budget.
everything. Then budget. Next,
Start and end date.
start and end date. Very good. Then pacing.
Yeah, pacing.
What is my pacing?
Pacing
Oh,
is
standard
need
and
to
like
show the ad.
Got
Standard
it.
or accelerating.
Excellent.
Okay, so this is one of the interview question, guys. Please do remember. So what is mean by pacing? What is the difference between standard and accelerated? So then give a name for your ad group.
3 p.m.
Then again, starting and end dates. Do we require the starting and end dates again?
no.
Not required. Why? Because if you want to
We
choose, you
already
can
know.
directly choose in the campaign level. Again, it was showing you like optional. It's up to you. Okay. So do I need to give the budget again?
No.
No.
Oh, it is also optional. Okay.
Optional. Yeah.
So here comes bid type. So bid
Right.
type means how you would like to pay money to Twitter.
Yes.
Automated bid. So do we know the difference between automatic biddings and manual
Manual
biddings?
bidding, yeah.
Yes,
Automatic
ma'am.
bidding means whatever the daily budget I gave it to the Twitter. So according to the competition, it will
Competitors.
go on deduct the money, right?
Yes.
So there is no control in our hands. If I choose this automatic, so everything control is in a Twitter hands. Okay. So if I click this drop down, I have a one more option like target cost. Can you see bid amount per 1,000 impressions? So now here, when I choose this target cost, it is a manual bidding, right? So I am
Yes, ma'am.
specifying how much I would like to pay for 1,000 impressions. So tell me, so my budget was like a $10, right?
$10 per day. Yeah.
I'll go with the $2.
2.
Okay. So here next comes measurement option. If I click this, audience measurement tag and double click tracking, these two things are useful when you want to track. So as of now, not required. Here comes ad level. So you need to choose a audience. So we are done with the ad group details like giving a budget. So giving a name for our ad and so how much you want to pay per 1,000 impressions. So here comes audience. So for whom you want to show your ad. So detail the targeting. Tailored and flexible audience. So this is what useful when you want to remarket. Now let's say Sumit is there. Sumit visited my website. I want to show my ad to him in Twitter. So at the time, you can do that kind of remarketing with the help of this tailored and flexible. We're gonna see after finishing this complete section. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to do remarketing and how to create a conversion tracking also in Twitter. The next comes your demographics. So you already know demographics, age and gender. So we have options like women or men. So any gender is fine for me. Ages. So as of now, it is reaching out to all ages. So if you want to specify the age group, just click this 13, 13 to 19, 13 to 24, 13 to 34. So you have a few more things like Japan only.
What is
Okay.
Japan?
So you will be reaching out to only Japan people.
Uh-huh.
So I'll just go with the
Why they have specifically mentioned Japan?
25 to 40.
Popular there, it's maybe.
The next here, locations, languages, and technology. This is where you're going to target the audience in detail. So here in a Google Ads also, we have this option like in detail, I can target the audience according to their devices, according to their locations and all. So now here I have option like choosing a location. So click this location and search for the location that you want to show up that. Let's say Hyderabad. Okay, so Hyderabad location. I just choose the Hyderabad. Add. 1 second. So now which thing I have chosen? I have just choose the location. So if you want to go back, just click on this all. Okay.
Ma'am, at like there was also showing no in Japan only.
Japan only. Yes, yes. So
Why,
if you
ma'am?
choose that, even we don't know exactly why they were showing this Japan only. So who invented Twitter?
And some American one.
American. Then Japan only. So not. No, we don't
He's
have any
Indian,
perfect reason
American,
actually.
Asian, I think.
We have to find out the reason.
Jack Dorsey, right?
Jack, see, he have himself like Japan.
Jack.
Jack
Jack
Dorsey.
Ma.
Jack Ma. So is that invented by Jack Ma?
No, no, no,
All
no,
right.
no.
Thank God.
He is
He ha-
American, ma'am. American.
Mhm.
Jack Dorsey.
So
Okay.
I'm telling that he have both names.
Mm-hmm. All right. So OS versions, you can target according to the user's OS versions also. So click this browse item, browse one, then you will find out Android devices, other mobiles, and iOS devices. So Android devices, Jelly
Oh my
Bean,
God.
Oreo, Cupcake, Kit Kat, ice
They're
cream,
very old.
What is this, man?
browsers,
Android
Android
versions,
versions.
Oh,
no?
oh, oh,
Very
You don't
oh.
old.
need, right? All this.
Lollipop, and above.
Uh,
Can you see?
I
Now
was
we are in
thinking why
Android
food
10.
here.
So
Yeah,
these
then
are the Android versions. Android 3.0, 5.0, 1.0. Oh my God, you have a lot of
Okay,
options. You
so
can
they
just
have this kind of names.
yeah,
Okay.
even for
Uh,
current
yes,
also they have.
yes, yes.
These are the versions of Android,
What is
right?
the name of our Android version?
Android 10.
Right now,
Okay,
current it
Android
is
10.
Android 10. I guess Oreo or something.
Android 10
No,
name.
Oreo is old.
Oreo, it's 8.0.
I love Oreo shakes.
Oreo cupcake.
Android Q
They
it's
have
in.
named
అబ్బో ఇది
all.
ఫుడ్ కాదు నాయన నువ్వు ఆగు.
They're
See, you can
mentioning it
target
as
according to
Android
this.
Q, ma'am. Android Q.
Android Q. Okay. So it's a general knowledge question. So again,
Uh,
iOS device module,
sorry.
iOS 13.6. What happened, man? Are you laughing?
No, ma'am. So we don't have to like remember also if someone asks what is iOS version for Androids, so we can tell KitKat, Cadbury.
Mm. Yes, yes. Very good.
During school days also, ma'am, if someone will laugh like that, even our ma'am used to get angry. Why are you laughing? Tell us the joke.
See, do I need to record the section or not, Rajesh? You laugh like
Yes, ma'am, please.
again, I have to trim this video, man. Okay. Can you see now? Did you get an idea? So you just need to click on this ad so that option will get added in your targeted. Okay. So all platforms, languages, device models, carriers.
Locations.
Egypt, Peninsula, United, UAE,
What is mean
France.
by platform?
Platforms ante it is also same like a browsers,
Like Windows, Android, like that.
devices.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And we select all.
Desktop.
It's better to
Sorry.
select everything. No?
And we select all.
So you don't have option like selecting all. You have to click on add.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, we can add all.
You can add all.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
You
Cool.
can. It's up to you.
Okay.
Languages. You can still add languages. Russian, Arabic, Chinese, Farsi, English, Dutch, Spanish. So what happen if you don't add anything? Your ad will be received by anyone. So like you are going to reach out a wide audience within your budget simply. If you
Like
want to,
both
you
on web
just
and mobiles, both, right?
mobiles, on desktop as well as on mobile phones in
Mhm.
different kinds of versions. So Twitter will take care of everything and it will show you. So if you really want to show in a specific place and for a specific person, then you can just go through that each and everything. So what you have to do is first of all test how where your ad appearing and how many impressions you receive. So after testing it, you can just go through that. So you will be getting a complete analytics, right? Like you will be getting age and gender from which location you received. So at that time, if it is okay with your business, then you can simply choose that option. Okay, why? Because initially we can't exactly say whether this targeting option is going to bring you good benefits.
Ma'am,
Got it?
test like they going to run it like a free or like
Mm, So whatever it may be, you have to pay money. So
okay,
then only
okay.
you'll come to know, right? You'll come to know. So whether it's running good or bad. So whether you are
Okay.
reaching to targeted audience or not. Yeah, right.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So just choose everything as of now. Did I choose any location?
Yes,
Yes,
Hyderabad.
Yes,
ma'am.
I have choose the
India.
location. Fine. India and Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Yeah.
Target people who first used Twitter on new devices. Tell me, what does it mean?
Who first used Twitter?
Used Twitter on a new device.
Like
Whoever uses the Twitter from a new device, I'm going to show my ad to him or to her. So if you want, you can just choose it. Why? Because if you are trying to reach out wide audience, whoever uses the Twitter, then you can just choose that option. Then again in detail here, according to the keywords, according to the events, interest. So movies and TV shows, you can just go through that. Events, sports, others, trends, Olympics, conferences, holidays, politics. So if you click this entertainment, so many things you'll find it.
mhm.
International Film Festival, Key, Con, Universal Studios, Ultra Japan. Many things are there. So targeting is becoming very, very narrow, right? You can
Yes,
just
ma'am.
choose it.
So how will it work? I mean, if we select one option, so it will, how will it do it? Can you
So a
explain me?
person, now let's say here, I'm not targeting any profiles, I'm targeting the customers, right? Whatever the targeting might be in the Google Ads also, we are not targeting the websites, we are targeting the customers, people. So now here, if I choose this entertainment, whoever interested in these kind of entertainment, I'm going to show my ad to him. Got it?
Okay.
Yes. New
Okay. This is
York
good.
Film Festival. It's good, really. So for kind of again, I'm saying high-end businesses who have a some kind of business in United States and also at the time it will be very useful.
Can we check some other events like there is a
You can check, you can check. So click on this
Mobile
events,
Congress, there is
browse.
an event in Spain every year, Mobile Congress
Sorry, you event in?
in
Okay,
Spain.
let me
Spain.
search like
It's
Spain.
it's
If
called
you
Mobile
so
Congress
search for
something.
that
Mobile Congress. Okay.
mobile congress. So if search for this, if you find, you can just click that.
Okay.
No, I'm not finding anything. Mobile congress.
GMC
So it is
Global
into,
Mobile
it will
Congress.
be into events, right? It will be in the events only.
Okay.
Mobile Congress. So it is not showing up on events. So here they are giving few options. You can just only choose these options.
Yeah.
Let's
Global
go back
Mobile
again.
Congress.
Conferences, is that conference? Okay, tell me.
It's an
Mobile?
event. It's called
MOBI
MWC Barcelona. MWC Mobile
yeah
World Congress.
MWC. Yeah.
MWC?
Barcelona.
No, no, it is not
I
showing.
think this year they have not conducted it, no, so
Yes,
it is
it was
not coming.
cancelled due to Corona.
So
Mobile World
that is
Congress.
why I think it is not coming up.
Mm-hmm. Also, but here I have only few events in conference. Can you see?
And
Okay.
Oracle Open
one more thing,
World.
I'm like this year,
So these are 2020 guys.
yeah.
2020 events.
Like many conferences are cancelled, no? So the ones which are
Hmm.
available, I think only
Hmm.
they are showing that.
Yes, yes, true. Then if I click this events, you can see keywords based on the keywords. Okay, I'll go with the digital.
Like movie industry, people can target this film festival thing, no, ma'am. That
Yes,
option is
very.
there.
Yeah, yeah. Pony.
So it
And
might show the ad to those people who
Who
are
are browsing for
mm,
this festival
for
thing.
these keywords kind of thing, and your ad will appears in a hashtags in in trending also your ad appears. Now
Hmm.
let's say if I choose this Dhoni keyword, now whatever the tweets that coming up in the Dhoni hashtag, so my ad will appear as a promoted there. So have you ever noticed promoted ads within the tweets, within the trending tweets?
Yes, ma'am.
Open your mobile
Sometimes.
phone and click on trending, then you can see.
Yeah, sometimes it will be there.
Yes, yes. So choose these audience again, and here if I scroll down, retarget people who saw or engaged with your past feeds. What does it mean? So now
Whoever saw
I have chosen a few targeting options like locations based on interest, based on keywords and all. Now let's say a person who already following my account, so he may or may not be come under my targeted option. So at that time, if you still wants to show the ad for that person, then you can just toggle on here. Okay, got it?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. People who saw your tweets, people who saw and engaged with your tweets again. Okay, organic tweets or specific, if you have already any campaigns, you can just choose here. So I'll go with the organic tweets, that's fine. Then expand your audience, it is a new option. Define, expanded, and broad. So did you remember the conservative automated targeting and aggressive targeting and no automated targeting in Google Ads? Mhm. Now, if I choose this middle one, like expanded one, my ad will appear for the person who also similar to my targeted option. So if I choose this broad, what happens? I'm reaching to wide audience irrespective of my targeting. If I choose this defined, so I am going to show my ad only for the targeted audience. So getting my
Yes,
point?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then you can just choose it. So obviously, so let Twitter decide. Then additional options. Also target followers of the particular, if you want to target the followers of this account, you can just choose it. So fine. These are the few targeting options. Demographics, age, locations, language, keywords, events. Finally, retargeting type. Okay. So next. Okay, we are done with the campaign and ad group. Finally, we are into our ad creative level. So here,
Ma'am,
yes,
their ad पे TikTok पे they did.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, now here you have a option in Twitter like you can use you can use already the tweets you have in your account, or else you can add a new image. Okay. So now if I scroll down, I can see few images, few tweets we already have. If I want, I can just choose these things. Or else if I want to add a new one, so click this create a tweet. You can just compose here. Okay. Okay. Now you can select the photos, select the videos, you can select the cars, you can ask a question. So it's kind of poll. You might have noticed these kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
questions on Twitter polls.
Yes,
You can simply ask a question and answer so that you'll be giving options to choose, same like a multiple choice, right? Okay,
Like
I'll go with
survey or
yeah, it's kind
survey.
of survey
True.
only.
okay,
Mm,
okay.
yes. Can you see here promoted, right? This
Only
is how
yeah.
your ad appears. I'll go with
Okay, it must.
The check mark will be there.
sorry.
That promoted ka check mark also it's showing, right?
It
Mm,
will be there,
yes, yes.
no?
Yeah. So that's what I
Okay.
told you. It is very easy to recognize whether it is an organic tweet or promoted tweet.
Hmm.
So just choose an image, or else if you want, you can upload the image from your desktop if you have any, and then done. This is how your ad
Okay.
appears. Three. So once you're done with this creation of ad, you have to give a billing, right? So give a billing, payment methods, billing history. So give your ad of new funding sources. So give your whether it is for business or personal. So just go with that. It will ask you the credit card and debit card details. Just give that. Then your ad will start running. Right. So easy, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the only
Relatively easy.
thing, so if you are done with the Facebook and all, then remaining each and every social media network is very, very easy. Dead easy. First of all, you
Yes,
need to
actually, ma'am.
decide. So your duty is to decide which platform is suitable for your business. So don't blindly run ads in all media platforms. Not at all
Yeah.
Mm.
required. Right. So now we are done with the creation of ads in a Twitter. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now yes.
ma'am, it will directly run the ads, or we have to
No,
again go and sell?
we have to give the billing, right? So when we
Okay.
give the billing only, it will run.
Yeah, because it was
Payment should be
separate,
done
right?
first.
Sorry, because
It was separate, right?
separate in the sense.
So first we created the ad,
Mm.
then
Mm.
we are doing the billing, right? So that billing
If you want,
directly,
you can, initially or before creating ad also, you can just give the billing.
okay. That is
Mm.
irrespective. Whichever the
Mm.
ad we run, it will just take the billing from it
Take
and it will just run.
if you have a money in your account only.
Okay, okay, okay.
So now let us see how we can create a remarketing.
Remarketing on Twitter.
Remarketing on Twitter and conversion tracking. Do we know how to run a conversion tracking in LinkedIn?
Yes, ma'am.
We need to
Yes,
tag in the
Inside
website.
tag,
Inside
yeah.
tag.
Mm.
very good. Now let's see how to do remarketing. First of all, remarketing means what? Retargeting your existing users. Okay. So what does it mean retargeting? So where it has to the people now I have an app, I have a website. So if you have a list also, you can simply upload it. That means now Uday, Uday లేడు కదా అందులో
Mhm.
Uday.
రఫీ ఎట్లా బాలు. These three people visited my site. Okay.
Mhm.
Now I want to show my ad to these people on Twitter. That is what remarketing. So while creating a Facebook ads also we have seen, right? So Sumit was asking me some doubt like, whenever I've been to some website, that ad used to follow me on a
Yes,
social
ma'am.
media platform.
Mhm.
That is what simply remarketing. Okay. So I can do remarketing on Twitter also. Let us see how we can do that. So here you have a tools option, just click this drop down and there you'll find an option like audience. So audience manager. Okay. In Google Ads also we have a audience manager. Right. Now here, create audience, website activity, app activity combination. So, for whom you want to retarget. If you have an already list, now let's say if you have a few Gmail address or few contact numbers, simply if you have a data, you can just go through this list option. I'll go with the website because as of now I do have a website. So let me go with this audience name. So give a name for your audience. Description. So if you want to give a description for this audience, it can give, it's completely optional. Then here comes audience rule. So who are your audience? So simply you are saying that I want to remarket for my existing users. So who are your existing users? You have to define, right? So that is what. So the audience rule here, how you want to paste the code. universal tag or else event tag. So definitely I'll go with the universal website tag, same like a inside tag in a LinkedIn. Okay, so inside tag in LinkedIn, pixel in Facebook. Got it? Now here,
Yes, ma'am.
website visitor. Now for whom I want to target my ad. So whoever visited my web page or else visitors of a specific web page. Okay, contains. I'll just copy this URL and go back. Whoever visited. Now, if someone visits my contact us page, will my ad appears to them or not?
Yes.
Hmm?
No, ma'am.
Someone visited my contact us page, will my ad appears or not?
No, no.
It
Oh,
is like for
Okay,
homepage, no,
mute.
ma'am? We can hear you, ma'am. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, ma'am. We can hear you, ma'am.
But I'm not
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
hear you sometimes, because
Mhm.
tell me now, when someone visits contact us page, will my ad, I mean, so am I going to show up that to them or not?
This one is, I think, for homepage, no, ma'am.
for specific
So
pages.
what is the thing I have selected here? Contains. Contains means whatever
All
the
Total
the
URL
website,
pages.
yeah.
might be.
Okay.
So if that URL consists of busycodes.in, my ad appears, right? Yes or
Okay.
no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
or else if you want to show only for that link,
Specific
then
page.
equals.
Okay. Mhm.
Equals means definitely a person who visited this
Particular page.
busycodes.in only, I'm going to show my ad. So if they visit contact us page, am I going to show ad?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No, 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 no.
No. No, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Simple.
It should be exactly same, equal.
Exact same. That is what the difference between contains and
Contains and
equals.
equals. Okay.
Okay.
Then
So
we'll change, no, ma'am, from equal to contents.
you can change, yes. But what happens here? If someone visits your blog page, if someone visits
Okay.
your
Hmm.
exam page,
Everybody will see that ad.
everybody will come under
Okay.
your retargeting audience,
Mhm.
right?
Okay. Okay.
That's
Okay.
good, right? Maybe they'll
And
join.
it will cost us more also, I guess.
More,
It
yeah.
costs you more reaching out a wide audience, wasting money.
Mm.
Instead of
Hmm.
showing the ad to all those people, try to show the ad who are
Interest.
shown some interest, like whoever filled the contact form or else whoever been to your thank you page. That means he already filled up your contact form. That means half of the percentage he is interested in your
Interested,
business.
yeah.
So it's better to go with that kinds of people.
Mhm.
Okay, then create audience. That's simple it is. Okay, so
Okay.
now this audience you have to choose in a tailored. Now in the audience level we have seen, right, tailored and flexible. Tailored and flexible. So
Yes,
there
ma'am.
you
Yes,
just
ma'am.
need to choose this audience name. That means
Mhm.
I'm going to show my ad to this 3 p.m. batch audience, this remarketed audience. Got it?
Okay.
Cleared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Right. So this is how easy we can create a remarketing. And the next comes conversion tracking. Conversion tracking means I want to track the conversions that happens in my website through Twitter.
Mhm.
So in Facebook also we have a conversion tracking. In LinkedIn also we do have a conversion. In Google Ads also we have a
So
conversion.
every advertisement platform has this feature.
Have a conversion tracking. Why? Why?
That's a very
To get the
important feature,
details
no? Means
about.
we can track how many
From
visits.
We
where we
can
have
track.
the, yeah,
We can track how many conversions are happening with your website, right?
yeah.
So that helps you to define, know where exactly you are reaching. So how
Mm.
much ROI you are getting, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
let us try to create a conversion tracking now.
And if they get good
Go to
returns,
tools.
we'll invest more, no, ma'am?
Yes. Click these
What,
tools and drop down. There you can see option like conversion tracking. Right. Create a new conversion event. Name the event. Select the type of conversion. So what is your conversion? Mhm. When someone purchases, when
I
someone downloads, when someone installs, when sign up,
Custom.
custom, what exactly?
Mhm.
Site visit.
So site visit will be like a useful for blogging kind of website.
Bloggers.
So sign up
Sign up.
is also fine for us. Okay. Event tracking and rules. Now for remarketing and for conversion tracking also you need to paste the code, right? Yes
Okay.
or no? You
Yes.
need to paste the code in your website. Then only the cookies will fire, and when someone converts, when someone wins to that page, it will show you the data. Otherwise, if you don't even have a tag, then how it is possible? So
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason here we have a tag. So we need to use a universal website tag here recommended. Include a traffic that meets any one of the following condition. All website visits, exact URL or URL context. Which one
Content.
should I choose?
Exact URL.
Exact URL?
Yeah, URL contains here.
URL contains is the best one, right? Again. So it's up to you. Again.
Okay.
So if you want to add any other condition, you can still add. That means whoever visited my dizzycodes.in as well as whoever visits my contact us, I am going to count it as a one conversion. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
So till now we have done many conversions in Google Ads, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So it's not a big deal for you guys anyhow. So I'll go with this. Specify custom attribution window. 30 days and 1 day. Post engagement attribution window. That means whoever interacted with your ad and after 29 days, if they visit your site and convert also, I'll be counting it as a one conversion. Then post view means after viewing your ad, what is the maximum time that person is taking to convert in your website? So maximum I can go with the 1 day. So sorry, maximum you can go with the 90 days here. Okay, minimum is 1 day, it's up to you. I'll go with the 2 days. Agree. Save conversion event. So here comes how to set up your universal website tab. So copy the complete code here. So where you need to paste the code.
Header.
Web.
Yeah, here you can see if you are the person who is willing to be
Body.
installing the website tag, download the code snippet and place it at the bottom of all pages on your website
All
before the
pages.
body. Okay, so you just open that, insert header and footers, and then paste this code in the body section. Right. So from then onwards, whoever visits your Dizzy codes during, so it is going to calculate it as a one conversion from the Twitter. Simple?
Yes.
Right. Very good. So you have to do remember all these things. When you work for a client, you should be able to do all these things. Okay. Yes. So this is guys a Twitter. So mostly do remember that Twitter ads is not useful. So I'm not saying that it is a waste. So do remember that whether it is useful for your business or not. So if you have the website or client, USA based client and all. Again, if it is a USA based client also, try to find out the subject first of all. So better, not to go with the Twitter. You can go with the Facebook and then Instagram. Why? Because our no general audience will be now Instagram and Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
More into professionals will be like a LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
So again, Twitter is like a you already know, right? So this is what how to create the Twitter ads, how to create a conversion tracking, and how to create a remarketing. All right, is that clear or not, everyone?
Okay. Yes.